See.
There you go.
Oh,
There it is.
that thing is so nice.
So
bro.
that's the DeSoto before it came to me. That was in California. I did a trade with a guy on Instagram or on Facebook, and he's part of Lowriders Car Club, I think it's called, or Lowriders. Slide. I don't remember the name right now. Sorry for butchering that name. That car is a good example. So I didn't restore that car, obviously, because it looked like that when it came to me.
Yeah.
But we've re-chromed a bunch of stuff on the car. We've repainted some stuff. We're going to add more. We did the full interior on it brand new. It's all different than what it was. We've redone so much of that car. Can you consider that I bought that car built?
No, I can't. But I think that was what my point was. I think it's just easier if you have the financial means. Just buy something already like that in that stage and add to it. So I bought the Pontiac. I think you and me paid around the same, no? Or did you end up paying more for this car? Has it been that long?
No, I know what I have in that car.
But-
I know what I have in that car, but I
But
also
without
know what I've
wi-
put into the car.
But
after the fact.
I'm saying how much. I know what I have in my car, right, in the Pontiac. But I'm
It's
saying
around the same.
all right. So it's this, and then now this thing has a modern drivetrain.
That car has a more modern Hemi.
Okay.
That car came with a flat 6
Okay.
and a 3-speed. And now it has a huge Hemi in it. Or what people consider to be a baby Hemi, because it came out of
So
a
they
mid-50s.
they never converted this to an S10 frame or nothing like this. Is
No,
still
that car's all original underneath. They did a more modern rear end to
Okay.
accommodate the Hemi. It's bagged. They did a great job underneath. The car's super clean, super well done.
Listen. I think that's. I think when I say it's better to buy them than build them, I think this is what I'm referring to. Buy a car like this.
Yeah.
And save yourself the headache.
Oh yeah, they did all the hard stuff. They did all the suspension work. They did all the body work.
Yeah. I mean, you buy something, you pay for it. Let's say this guy spent $40K hypothetically.
Yeah, picture, bro.
Oh, that's a great picture. That's here in the store.
Yeah. So the car will look a little different at the next show. I haven't shown the car because we're doing a bunch of little upgrades to it, and
Zoom out a little bit on it, Manny.
it's gonna look a little different now.
Just a hair. So, I think this is what I was referring to. Let's say, and the chrome on the car is great.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Um,
That's a pop metal grill, by the way.
oh my God, that's crazy.
Are
dude.
you keeping that same grill?
That's
You-
a factory grill.
Yeah, it's a factory grill.
I love it. I
Yeah.
love the look of it.
It's
So
pop.
some people don't like it.
What?
That's hate it or love it. Some people don't like it. Some people say it looks like a cow catcher off a train.
I think it looks great. So,
Oh.
to me, I know.
Okay,
I have an idea. You and me are on the same price. I think it cost this guy to do what he did to this car like 40K. Easy, 40, 50K because he
when
re-chromed.
So when he bought the car was restored.
Okay.
So all he did, what my understanding is, and I could be wrong, but he changed the wheels.
All right.
He put, the California style, the narrower wheel with a skinny tire.
Mhm.
He bagged it, and he did a few little things to it. But the overall appearance of the car, other than I think the visor, he got the car like that also.
Okay.
I don't know where he got the car, but I want to say he got it like from Vegas or something like that. It was very gringo. Had
Okay.
some rallies on it,
Oh, okay.
And I'm assuming that the rallies go because it had the Hemi,
Yeah.
the big motor, whatever. This isn't really the typical car somebody would usually do. So I was surprised when he showed me a
So-
picture of the motor and it had a Hemi in it.
And that's the same thing I was trying to say earlier. I think spend more money up front.
Yeah, for sure.
Save yourself 3 or 4 years, tons of headaches, and the money pit that these old cars are.
So
Because it's just like you could have said, all right, let's say we're gonna say hypothetically, this car, if it's a project car, like that needs paint, interior, like it's a basket case. What do you think? You can pick it up for 4K?
yeah,
Or spend 25, 30 and buy the car as is.
yeah, no, for sure.
And then you're like, well, 4,000, that's a great price. Oh, by the time you're not gonna even be close
So
financially into the car
so we
between
go back.
drivetrain, interior, paint.
So we go back to what I was saying about the haters on Facebook or YouTube or whatever. The means, some people don't have the means to gather up 20 grand.
Okay.
Just don't because,
But do you think if you don't have the money, don't even get involved in it?
But yeah, but a tinker project, somebody can go back there one day. They can do like,
But they
on
never
a one weekend. They can. Some people see
How
out
many
these projects
projects?
15, 20 years and they finish their car. Like some people have that and they do it. I respect that. I look at it and I give the same advice when.
Now, how many projects do you see people sell?
Oof, tons.
They sell and they give it away.
Tons. I see that all the time. But I always tell people, same advice that I give people when I'm selling them something, not cars, when I'm doing in the antique business. I say this to other dealers. I say this to other collectors. Save your money, okay, if you can. It's better to spend, an example, $20 on something of better quality, even if you have to save your money a little bit, than to buy something for $5 that's, let's say, in my example, a toy. If it's missing a wheel or it has a replacement wheel, is it better to back off of that one and wait a month or 2 or 3 until you can save up the money to buy a better condition one?
Yeah.
That later down the line, if you need to sell it or whatever the case may be, you know that your money is safe. Don't buy junk because junk is always junk. This translates, in my opinion, to the cars. If you're in the financial position where you can do that, instead of spending 10 on a project, wait a little bit. And even if you have to wait a year to get another 10 or to get another 5, you're going to buy a better quality. The better quality you buy, the less headache you have.
Yeah, bro.